The Return at Dychweliad is a site-specific theatre performance that reimagines a World War I victory ball that was held here in this room for returning servicemen and their families after the war. But it also is an immersive theatre production that shares the experiences of contemporary servicemen who return to their communities from conflicts around the world. We've been working creatively with families of ex-servicemen and community members to bridge that gap. And we've been working for the first time with professional actors as well. And then everyone starts to hunker down together, but then I think...
Been in the army and went to Northern Ireland. Come out of the army in 78, and it didn't start affecting me until 2002. No, I couldn't rest and settle down, you know, because I was reliving all what I'd been through, 5-month tours, you know. And I went to see the doctor on the Monday morning, the first thing he said to me is, you've got post-traumatic stress disorder.
I got involved with Relive through Dave Price, the Welsh Veterans Partnership. I was kind of lost as a veteran, and Dave said, you should come along. It completely changed my life, to be fair. With Relive, it literally is a way of creating your story, being able to tell your story through different ways, choir and drama. And that's what I'm doing now with drama. I didn't think it'd go this far, though.
When we first started rehearsing this, one of the questions on my mind was, how can I tell people that are doing the show about war when I'm against war as such? Well, I realised it's not about war. It's about how people undergo and overcome challenges. It uses war as a vehicle to tell a really wonderful story.
Most group members have never done a theatre show before, so they are probably wondering what the experience is going to be like. And hopefully, as a group of practitioners and a production team, we can ensure they have a good experience. Hey everyone,
The return to watch is moving, it's compassionate, it's personal, stories from veterans themselves, and it's a story that needs to be told because as much as veterans are listened to in a clinical sense, it's an everyday issue that families live with. With this, the return, it's bringing that to the forefront in a very loving, understanding way. So I think this is a really good way to bring it into the community.
The people that are here with us as well is fantastic. You know, we get on so well together and that, you know, and we help each other out when we're going through bad times and good times and that, you know, so it's really nice.
Things like this are extremely important. Just having that hope and having people around you when you're so isolated, just having that community to kind of lean on, just supporting you is massively important.
One thing that I do know, coming together and a communion of people, it's not always good with just medication. It's got to be music and the arts for the soul for me, definitely.
Keep the home fires burning.
You portray the essence of what you've been through and what others have been through. And seeing things happen here really helps open my mind, my heart, because people have gone through the most amazing suffering to get to hear acting, singing, supporting each other. So this for me is some sort of magic happened, using just the arts. It's quite amazing.
There's a lot of veterans coming forward now with issues that aren't always being treated, and if they are being treated, they're not being treated in the manner which they believe that is for them. By telling the story that they want, the way they want to, it's also explaining how they want to be viewed and how they need the help.
Doing these shows, I'm glad they've asked me to do them because, you know, I feel we put across a very good point to people about emotions, families, you know, what they're going through.
We hope audiences get an insight into what it's like for veterans who are returning to their communities and maybe go back in time and experience what it might have been like to be part of a victory ball 100 years ago.